Hello everyone. In this INR number 27, we are going to discuss another important PYQ, that is vitamin B2. Right? So vitamin B2 is also known as riboflavin. So it can be remembered like a riboflavin. Vitamin B2. Bi means two. Right? So this is how we can remember. Riboflavin is vitamin B12. What is the function of riboflavin? They are components of flavin cofactors. Right, they are components of flavin cofactors. What these flavin cofactors will do, they are forming FAD and FMN, and they are associated with the redox reactions. For example, they will be involved in TCA cycle in formation of succinate dehydrogenase reactions. Right, so that is the important role of vitamin B12. They will form the flavin cofactors like FMN, FAD, which are involved in redox reaction, which is a succinate dehydrogenase reaction, which is involved in the TCA cycle. Right, and if there is a deficiency of vitamin B2, what we will see, there are two important disorders we are going to see. Right, one is chelosis and then corneal vascularization. Right, so corneal neovascularization can be seen. You can see this is the corneal neovascularization in the eyes because of this deficiency. And what is chelosis? It is inflammation of the lips and scaling and fissures at the corners of the mouth. So you can see this is the inflammation of the lips, scaling and fissuring is at the angle of mouth. This is called chelosis. Right, you will also see the magenta tongue. So this is magenta tongue because of glossitis. So magenta tongue is because of glossitis. Right, so vitamin B2 deficiency, we can remember there are two important C: chelosis and corneal vascularization. Right, so chelosis, corneal vascularization, magenta tongue because of glossitis. These are the deficiency of vitamin B2. Right, so keep revising this INR series for your exams. Best wishes for your exams.